What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the best free font app for your iPhone as of right now, June 2020. I have made a font app video in the past, however, it's been over a year, so it's about time I make a new one. I do want to give a shout out to iDevice Help. I did see this app in one of his videos. I will go ahead and link that in the description below. Having said that, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so the app I'm talking about is called Fonts Plus. The only requirements you need to download is that you must be running iOS 10 or above and you must have at least 15.5 megabytes of storage available. I will have a direct link in the description below, so we'll go ahead and open up the app. When you first open up the app, you'll get a pop-up asking to get sent push notifications. I'm just going to go ahead and put don't allow, and then it'll go ahead and load right up. So they do have a paid version of this app, but the free version is awesome enough in my opinion. So in order to skip this screen, all you have to do is go ahead and back out and reopen up the app. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and now all you have to do is swipe from right to left, and then you'll get a blue button show up on the bottom saying add Fonts Plus keyboard. So we're gonna go ahead and hit that button, and then we'll be taken to settings. So we'll be in the Fonts Plus settings. So now you're gonna want to go into keyboards, and then you're gonna want to go ahead and toggle on Fonts Plus. You'll get another option to allow full access, however you can go ahead and leave that turned off. So now what I recommend doing is going back to the Fonts Plus app, going to settings, activate fonts, and turning off all of the paid fonts, and you'll know they're paid because they are in blue lettering. Once you have turned off all of the paid fonts, you can go ahead and turn on some of the free fonts that are not turned on. So now I'm going to quickly show you guys how to use the keyboard. So we're going to head into notes. You'll see the world icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Go ahead and click into that until you see the Fonts Plus keyboard. You will see a right arrow on the top left corner of the keyboard. Go ahead and click into that, and here you can change the font to whatever you want. So we'll go ahead and type something really quick. I just wrote Tommy Tech, and then we'll go ahead and change it once more and add the Apple logo, and there is the final text. So obviously you can use this in text messages, social media, emails, and so on. Let me know what you guys think of this app in the comments below. But that basically sums up the video. If you enjoyed it, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.